Welcome to the Red Writers Write This Minute videos where you learn writing tips in a flash. I'm your host, Sava Kolev. Today, let's talk comma splices. First things first, what's a comma splice? It's when a comma is used incorrectly to join two independent clauses. How can you be sure it's an independent clause? There are three things to check for in an independent clause. Does it have a noun, who or what the sentence is about? Does it have a verb, an action tied to the subject? And does it make sense when read alone? There are a bunch of ways to fix a comma splice. Here are 4 ways to fix that. Separate into 2 sentences. Add a coordinating conjunction. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Revise the sentence. Change the comma to a semicolon. Let's look at this example. Texas Tech was originally named Texas Technological College. The college opened in 1925 with 6 buildings and 914 students. Here we have 2 independent clauses joined by a comma. In this case, the 2 ideas are not closely related, so let's break the comma splice into 2 separate sentences. Problem solved! But this is not the only way to fix a comma splice. How about another example? The Will Rogers statue is wrapped in red paper before every home football game. It's wrapped in black to mark national tragedies. There's a contrast between the colors of paper used in these different situations. In this case, we would insert but, a coordinating conjunction, after the comma. You can use any coordinating conjunction to fix a comma splice, depending on the relationship between the ideas. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. If the ideas are closely related, you can change the comma into a semicolon, like this one. Texas Tech's campus covers over 1,800 acres of land. It's one of the largest campuses in the US. Then again, you might want to rewrite the comma splice into 1 independent clause. No one's ever claimed to have designed the double T emblem. Historical evidence suggests that Tech's first football coaches deserve the credit. If we add although to the first clause, it becomes a subordinate clause. No more comma splice! Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to get notifications for our newest videos.